just as Kurukshetra is known as the ultimate battlefield in the story of, in the legend of the Mahabharata, Kurukshetra, our website, we believe will equip financial investors on the mazes and difficult financial battlefield. Our site has been carefully planned, and what we have on our site includes various segments. We cater to the mutual fund segment, where we advise investors on how to make mutual fund investments. A common error that is made by many investors that participate in mutual fund investing is there is a huge overlap at times between the direct equity portfolio and the portfolios that they hold as mutual funds. Similarly, even within mutual funds, most people think diversification simply means buying across different fund houses, whereas quite often, unless you know the objective of the fund, you end up with funds that are very similar and therefore move in the same direction given different market conditions. Another segment on our site is the insurance segment. Again, a segment that is hugely under-penetrated in India. Most Indians, because of the belief that they should get a return on any investment that they make, often under-insure themselves. The correct guidance as to how much you should insure yourself and to what extent is something that our site seeks to provide. The third segment is the equity segment, probably the glamour segment of all the segments, and that's where we participate. We advise investors how to participate in the direct equity market through various styles of investing depending on the investor's approach. It could be a growth style of investing where a long-term portfolio is created, or it could be value picking for the medium term where you try and identify an undervalued stock. We also provide trading advice based on the F&O expertise that we have, as well as we look at the technical charts to identify trends so that investors can take positions in the market accordingly. Yet another segment that we have is the commodity segment. Clearly the market that's been the outperforming market simply because of gold. If you look at the kind of performance that gold has given, and other precious metals like silver too, and oil of course is evergreen, I think there's a lot of money to be made there, and investors are gradually becoming converts, beginning to understand and participate in the commodity markets in India. And herein lies a huge opportunity. We provide advisory across commodities, be it metal commodities or be it agri-commodities. Finally, our final segment is the education segment, the financial education segment, where we feel that any investor who participates in the market should be financially educated. And by financially educated, I do not mean in terms of a degree or otherwise. A person should know how to participate in the market before actually participating in the market. The simple question is, does one drive a car without learning how to drive a car? So you can't really be entering into the market without having a basic understanding or developing a certain amount of expertise. It's on the basis of this that we've launched our education programs, which cut across various types of investors. It could be a very basic investor, it could be an advanced investor. Overall, the effort is to try and educate investors and equip them in the financial battlefield, which is why we have named the site Kurukshetra.